Hi SheerLuxe Beauty School, my name is Chloe Swift. I'm a professional hairstylist and haircare expert, and today I'm going to be showing you and telling you all of my professional tips on how to make curls hold and last. So let's get into it. So I always say product prep is huge when you want to make your curls hold and last and your style just to last all day. So I love, and all professionals will love, a hair mousse. And I know a lot of people can be scared of mousses, but this particular mousse I'm using is the Schwarzkopf Professional Air Whip. It's so lightweight. So give your mousse a really good shake, and then you need to hold the can upside down and apply, I'd say like a golf ball size amount, a large golf ball, in the palm of your hand. Gently kind of transfer a bit of the mousse into the other hand without smashing all of the air out, and you just want to rake that mousse through your mid-lengths and ends. And yeah, I am doing this on dry hair. And then all you want to do is just go in and dry that product in. Next tip, which I absolutely swear by, is misting each section before you curl with a hairspray which contains heat protection. So this one that I'm using here is the Hair by Sam McKnight Modern Hairspray. So not only is this going to provide a hold factor to your hair, but it's also protecting the hair from heat, which is super important. And then curling tool of choice that I'm using, this is the GHD Classic Curl Tong. It's about 1 inch in width, and yeah, it's my go-to for curling the hair. So I'm just gonna hold the tong vertically, kind of upside down, and twisting the hair around the barrel just to give myself like a looser wave kind of curl shape. And another really important pro tip, when your curl is ready, so after about 6 to 8 seconds, you want to catch the curl as soon as you release it off of that tong. So hold it in your hand just whilst it's nice and warm still, and just let that cool just for a couple of seconds. Then you can release. As you can see, you've got such a bouncy curl, which I love. And now this really is a pro tip. So with all of my curls, if I want them to absolutely stay all night, all day, and not drop, I'm gonna pin curl every single one. So just pop 2 fingers behind that section, wrap it back up, and I've just got normal curvy grips here. And then you can go in and grip every single section. That's just going to ensure that your hair sets, so it's going from warm to cool and it's setting in that shape, and that is what's ultimately going to make those curls hold and last. So all of my curls are pinned up. I'm just going to go in again with the Molten Hairspray and spray this all over the top. And then ideally you want to wait for all of your curls to completely cool down and set, and this can take anywhere from about 10 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to take out all of our grips, and oh my gosh, just look how curly those curls are. Okay, all the grips are out. Just look how curly and bouncy we are. Now we're going in for my favorite part, which is the dressing out. And so many people are scared to dress out their curls, but honestly, if you followed all these tips correctly, you should not be afraid to dress out your curls, and they should not drop. So I'm gonna go in with a couple drops of oil. And oil is one of my favorite products that I use to dress out curls. So I'm massaging the oil into my hands, almost like a hand lotion. And then I'm going to rake my fingers through the curls to break them up, and this also adds shine, adds softness, and hydrates the ends. And then another one of my top tips, which I love to do, is misting your brush or your wide tooth comb with some hairspray. And then this ensures you're kind of combing hairspray through the hair. It's coating the individual layers rather than just sitting in a layer on the top surface. And you can see with the amount of dressing out I've done and brushing through and running my hands through, these curls are not going anywhere. So there we go, we have lovely, bouncy, voluminous curls, which are honestly gonna stay all day and all night. I hope you put those top tips to use with your curls.